Are you a pet parent like me? Does your furry friend leave pet hair behind everywhere they go, even inside your car? Welcome back to another video here on the Eurow YouTube channel. And as much as we love our pets, we definitely don't want to see all that shedding in our seats and upholstery. So today I'm going to be introducing you to a simple way to get rid of all that pet hair. Here is the Eurow Mini Pet Hair Removal Tool. This is an absolute game changer when it comes to removing pet hair. Let's look at the mess over here. As you can see, there's a lot of pet hair and they can be stubborn to move out. And that's where this tool comes in. All you gotta do is grab and glide. It easily picks up that hair and is bringing it down. And the combs of the tool is able to lift the hairs from the fabric. This tool is specifically designed to work on upholstery and fabric, which makes it perfect for your car seats, carpets, and even pet beds at home. And it doesn't take much effort at all. No need for expensive or messy solutions. Just glide it back and forth and you'll see how quickly the hair comes up. Wow, look at that. The difference is amazing. No more pet hair, just clean and fresh seats. And this tool works on so many surfaces, not just in your car. Now I'm going to explain to you why this tool is so effective. It has an ergonomic design with its rubberized surface that includes 3 different comb sizes. It is small, portable, and much more effective than brushes and lint rollers. You can easily store it anywhere in your car, so whenever you need it, you can just grab and glide. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in our mini pet hair removal tool, be sure to check out our website and Amazon storefront. The links are going to be in the description below. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Be sure to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.